this whole thing out of the pipe. I think, ouch, that's the majority of it. Oh wow. I did not expect to make such a difference there. Yeah, that was 100% of the blockage. That just increased flow by ripping that out of there. Now it's flowing like double speed. And what kind of tracks do we have here? I didn't think that was going to go so well. I regret not putting up camera number 2. But we got footage of it. Here's what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. Yeah, we just increased flow a lot. That flood back there could potentially be connected. It's not connected surface-wise, but groundwater-wise, I think so. So we look over here, this is all gonna start dropping. I could tell immediately this was flooded. Even though willow trees love water, they will not start growing in the water. They're very tolerant to flooding, but they will eventually drown and die. Yeah, this is gonna drop down fast. Considering how it's not crossing the road, you can see the erosion. It has been. Today it wasn't, which means it is coming in slower than it's leaving. So this should be good. Real nice. I bet there's so much current. Let's see if we can get it to suck in a rock. The whirlpool's trying to go again. Nice. Stepping out of the truck again. We got moose poop right away. This is really beautiful. The reflection of the snowy trees. Beautiful section of road. I stopped here because I'm assuming there's got to be a culvert here, and it's probably right there. I see that, which is groundwater, I'm assuming. Could be a culvert completely buried, but I'm not thinking so. So we come up here a little bit. Where's the pipe? It could be one of those situations where there's no pipe, and it's just very sandy ground that allows it to drain under normal conditions. It could be. But looking in here, it looks like there's always a little bit of water, just based on how the trees are growing. There's water grass down there. So it looks like there's always a little something, but it is over flooded at the moment because the ground just can't absorb it. I wonder how far this road's gonna go to. Okay, I don't think there's a culvert pipe now. The water's pretty clear to see through. I think the water's getting through the road because I think when they built this road, it was a mud hole, and for the log trucks when it gets stuck, they just laid a bunch of logs in the road to drive over, and then they put some dirt over the top of it. So if I look down here,